earnings are not going to be impacted for many companies. Even in the immediate 12 months, 18 months, the few companies where they have pricing power, they can hold on to gains.
So you're saying no excitement for the market?
No. It is very exciting. But it's exciting about, I would say my P multiple goes up, not the earnings.
But the P multiple has already gone up, to be fair here. And the P multiple has gone up post March 2014. The fact that India is trading at a premium, it means that in general investors, they feel that the reform progress will be strong.
Yes.
So there's nothing new about a GST bill in terms of P pricing.
Yeah, between yesterday and today, there's nothing. I mean, yesterday probability of GST coming, say day before probability of GST coming, the moment Congress said that we are in, it shot up to maybe 99%, and that has become 100%. That's why market is not excited about it. But 15 days back, it was not 100%. It was maybe, in my mind, it was 70-75%. So today it is 100%. It's done. It's over. That buy on the rumor, sell on the news. So the rumor part was last 15 days. Now sell on the news. So it's all done. Now I think BOE's cut in the rate is more important than GST immediately, because see, markets are not going to wait for 1 year for the 1 year after that earnings to come in, because now this is only a constitutional amendment. Actual contour of whether it is going to be 18%, 20%, they will have 3 slabs, or what is in, what is out. I think those details are going to come up sometime in, now they'll work it. In December, so we'll do a special show the day on which the bill is introduced, that these are the rates. Okay, that time we will know who is, I mean, how much is, we know sectorally today who are the beneficiaries and who are going to be, paying more. Like we all be paying, all the service guys will be paying 2%, 3% more. Yeah. So we are hit at one level. But say all the, I said logistic intensive companies like steel, cement, they will definitely be beneficiaries. But can they hold on to that gains? I don't think so. So on the whole, earnings calculation, I don't think, at least I personally don't think it is going to have much impact in the short term. But in the long run, operational flexibility, the convenience, the hassle of not doing any, those things will be there, and that will be anti-inflationary and very efficiency gaining kind of a situation.
You think we are in a sweet spot right now? I think the answer is a yes, but the reason I'm saying this is because we've had 1 month, month of some bit of DI selling unfortunately coming in, maybe people have redeemed, but monsoon is great, earnings though patchy has been okay, and now we have the biggest tax reform as well.
See, you have, the biggest thing is globally there is a complete search of yield. I mean, the $13 trillion is below, 10-year papers are below, and now government bond issuance is at negative interest rate. I don't know who's going to buy it. I mean, you had 2% yield, you buy into it and it goes into negative, that is one thing. But actually issuance at negative, so you are saying that fundamentally I'm not going to get any money out of it. So I don't think any pension fund or all, they'll be buying into them. I don't know who buys that. So there is a massive search for the yield. So that's why you see all the bond issuances, even from say like masala bond, it got subscribed by 4 times. You saw yesterday one housing finance company did, there was a mad rush for the bonds. So this is what is happening. Now the overflow of that negative interest rate money is coming into emerging market, and it is going to become, it is going to intensify. So now see, the environment is benign. That doesn't mean that money will automatically flow. Now we have to create a conducive environment for that money to flow into equities or emerging market equities, particularly India. So here, what are the factors which can change the trajectory of earnings? Okay, so you have terrific monsoon after 3 years. It's so intense. It's really supercharged monsoon. Then you have, I hope that will have impact on the inflation with a gap of 2-3 months. Then you have now this, all the policy paralysis of 10 years have been all cleared up. I think this is the last piece of legislation. There is nothing left on the table of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, which is a huge achievement. I mean, yesterday finance minister cut cake for, I mean, very unusual, it's like a new birthday for him. So it is such an event. So it's not about the act. The issue is that now the whole country has come up to, push the legislation. So my sense is that there are too many good things now. So market most likely is not going to go down much. Upside, I don't know, because unless earnings come or something else comes in, it is going to be tough. I mean, somebody starts buying madly, which is not looking to be like that. But the companies which are doing well, there won't be any dearth. In fact, there will be violence to buy those companies, whichever shows earnings growth. You might have seen this season.
Yes.
Wherever earning surprise is there, the buying surprise is 10 times bigger than.
Absolutely.
So that's what is going to happen,
Yeah.
and that's where you have to position your portfolio ahead of time.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.